Students, welcome to RP Studies. Today we are going to solve RS Aggrawal Maths Class 9 Chapter Number System and Exercise 1D. So, the first question we have adding the two irrational numbers. Okay. So, for this, we have first question is 2 under root 3 minus 5 under root 2 and 3 root 3 plus 2 under root 2. So, for this, we will rearrange the followings and we can write this as 2 root 3 plus root 3 in one side, okay, and plus 2 root 2, and this is minus 5 root 2, okay. Now root 3 is common, 2 plus 1, and there root 2 is common, 2 minus 5, which is 3 root 3 minus 3 root 2. Now again 3 is common, so 3 minus root 2, okay. The second question is 2 root 2 minus 5 root 3 minus 7 root 5, 7 root 5 plus 3 root 3 minus root 2 plus 5. Again we will rearrange the same. 2 root 2 minus root 2 plus 5 root 3 plus 3 root 3 and plus root 5 and minus 7 root 5, okay. Now root 2 is common, again 2 minus 1 plus root 3 is common, 5 plus 3, and root 5 is common, so 1 minus 7. So this will become 2 root 2, 2 minus 1 is 1, so this is root 2 plus this is 8 root 3 and this is minus 6, okay, minus 6 root 5. This is the answer. The third question is 2 upon 3 root 7 minus 1 upon 2 root 2 plus 6 root 11 and 1 upon 3 root 7, 3 upon 2 root 2 minus root 11. So again we will rearrange the same. 2 upon 3 root 7 and 1 upon 3 root 7 in one place, okay, plus 6 root 11 minus root 11 on one side plus 3 upon 2, 3 upon 2, okay, 3 upon 2, this is 3 upon 2 root 2 and minus 1 upon 2 root 2, okay. Again the common is root 3. In the bracket we will write 1 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3 and root 11 is common, so 6 minus 1 and plus root 2 is common and 3 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2. So this will become 3 upon 3, okay. So 3 upon 3 is 1, root 3 into 3 upon 3 and root 11, this will be 5, okay, and plus root 2, this will be 3 minus 1, which is 2 upon 2. So this will become 1. So this is 3 root 3 and this is 5 root 11 and this is root 2, okay. The third question is multiplying, okay. So multiplying, we will write this as 3 root 5 into 2 root 5, okay. So we can write this as 3 into 2, okay, and root 5 into root 5. This will become 6, this will become 5. This is equals to 30, okay. Now again same, 6 into root 15 into 4 into root 3, okay. So this will become 6 into 4 and 15 into 3. So this is equals to 24, okay. Now we can write uh, root 5 root 15 as root 5 into root 3 and this is root 3. This will become 3. So 24 into 3, which is 72 root 5. Okay, this is the answer. Again, this is 2 6 root into 3 into root 3. So this will become 2 into 3 into root 6 into root 3. So again, split this into two parts. So this will become 2 into 3 into root 2 into root 3 into root 3. Okay, so this will become 6 into root 2 and this will become 6. 6 3 is 18 root 3. Okay, sorry, 2. Okay, now again this question, multiplying 3 into root 8 into 3 root 2. So this will become 3 into 3. Okay, now root 8 into root 2. Now root 8 can be written as 3 into 3 into root 2 into root 2 to the 4 to the 8, and this is here. Okay, so this will become 2, this will become 2. 3 into 3 into 2 into 2. Okay, so this will become 3 3 is 9, 2 is 18 to the 36. Okay, now root 10 by root 40. Now split this, we can write this as root 2 into root 5 and 40 as root 2 into root 2 into root 2 into root 5. Okay, this will become 40. Now root 2 with root 2 becomes 2, root 2 becomes 2, and root 5 becomes 5. So this is 2 into 2 into 5. Okay, 20. Now this is 3 roots 28 into 2 root 7. This is root 7. Okay, now we can write it as 3 into 2. Okay, and this is root 2 and root 28. Sorry, this is 28 and this is root 7. Okay, now we can write 28 as 3 into 2 into root 2 into root 2 into root 7 into root 7. Okay, so this will become 6. Now this will become 2 and this will become 7. So 6 2 is 12, 12 7 is 84 answer. Okay, now dividing. So for dividing, we can write it as simply 16 root 6 upon 4 root 2. Okay, so we can write this as 4 4 is 16. So this will become 4 root 6 upon root 2. Okay, now we can write this as 4 into root 2 into root 3 upon root 2, which will cancel out, and this will become 4 root 3 as answer. Okay, now 12 under root 5 by 12 root 15, sorry, upon 4 root 3. Again 4 3 is 12, and now this will become 3 into root 5 into root 3 upon root 3. So root 3 will be cancelled out, and answer will be 3 root 5. Okay, now the third question is 18 root 21 upon 6 root 7. Again 6 3 is 18, and root 21 can be written as root 7 into root 3 upon 7. Root 7 cancel. This will become as 3 root 3 as answer. Okay, now simplifying the equations, 3 root 11 and 3 plus root 11. So here we can see the identity a plus b and a minus b, which is equals to a square minus b square. So this is a, this is b. Now the a square is 3 square, and minus b square is root 11 square, which will become 9 minus 11. Okay, so this is equals to minus 2 answer. Again, this is a plus b and a minus b, so we can write a minus b and a plus b is equals to a square minus b square. So this is a and this is b. Now a square is equals to minus 3 square and minus b square is equals to root 5 square. Okay, so this is 9 minus 5. Okay, this will become 4. Okay, now third question is 3 minus root 3 square, which is identity of a minus b whole square, which is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, so we can write the same identity using these identity. This is a, this is b. Okay, so a square is 3 square, b square is root 3 square, and minus 2 into 3 into root 3. So this is uh, 3 square is equals to 9, and this root 3 square will become 3, and this is 2, 3 to the 6 and root 3. Okay, so this is 9 plus 3, which is equals to 12, and this is minus 6 root 3. Now this is again the identity of a minus b whole square, which is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, now this is a, this is b, so a square is equals to root 5 square and b square is equals to root 3 square, and this is equals to minus 2, a is equals to root 5 and b is equals to root 3. So this will become 5 plus 3 minus, this is equals to 2 and this is root 15. 8 minus 2 root 15. Okay, now the fifth question is 5 plus root 7 and 2 plus root 5. Okay, now this is not any identity, so we will multiply simply with first term with these two terms and second term with these two terms. So this is equals to 5, 2 plus root 5 and plus root 7 multiply by 2 plus root 5. This is equals to 5 into 2 plus 5 into root 5 plus root 7 into 2 plus root 7 into root 5. This will become 10 and this will become 5 root 5 and this will become 2 root 7 and this will become root 35. So this is the answer. Okay, now the sixth question is again we will have not any identity, so we will simply multiply with root 5 with these two terms, root 2 minus root 3. Okay, with these two terms, and minus root 2 with again these two terms. So this will become root 10, okay, minus root 15 minus root 4 or 2. You can simply write this as, and this is plus root 6. Okay, so this will become root 10 minus root 15 minus 2 plus root 6. Okay, now simplify, again simplifying, we will have these two terms and these two terms. First of all, this is it, the form of a plus b whole square. Okay, this is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. We will write this is as the same, but this has the 2 square plus root 2 square plus 2 into 2 into root 2. Okay, so this will become 3 plus root 3, and this will become 4 plus 2 plus 2 to the 4 root 2. This is 3 plus root 3, and this is 6 plus 4 root 2. Again, multiply these with these two terms and these with these two terms. Okay, so this will become equals, and this is equals 3 with 6 plus 4 root 2 and plus root 3 with 6 plus 4 root 2. Okay, so this is 18 plus 12, 4 3 is 12, root 2 plus 6 root 3 plus 4 root 6. Okay, this is answer. Okay, the next question is, examine whether of the following numbers are rational or irrational. Okay, now we have to check this. So again, this is the number in the form of a plus b and a minus b, which is equals to a square minus b square. So this will become 5 square, and this will become root 5 square, which is equals to 25 minus 5, which is equals to 20, which is in the form of p upon q, or an integer. So this is rational number. Okay, rational number. Now this is in the form of a plus b whole square, which is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, so root 3 square is a, and this is b, plus 2 square plus 2 multiply root 3 multiply 2. So this will become 3 plus 4 plus 4 root 3, which is equals to 7 plus 4 root 3. Okay, now again, this is rational number, but this is irrational number. So the sum and product of rational number and irrational number is always irrational. Okay, so this is sum of rational and irrational is irrational number. Okay, so this is irrational number. So we can write root 3 plus 2 square is irrational number. Okay, now this is 2 root 13 upon 3 root 52 minus 4 root 70, 117. Sorry, this is 117. Okay, so we can write this as, sorry guys, this is my mistake. This is, okay, this is the question. 2 root 13 upon, now we can write 52 as 3 13 into 4, and 117 as 13 into 9. Okay, now this will become 2 root 13, and in the denominator let's take root 13 as common. Okay, so what will be inside? This is 3 root 4, and this is 4 root 9. Okay, now we will cancel out root 13 with root 13, so the equation will become 2 upon, this will become 2 and this will become 3, so this will become 3 into 2 minus 4 into 3. Okay, so this is 2 upon 6 minus 12, which is equals to 2 upon minus 6. Okay, which is equals to 1 upon 3. Okay, which is in the form of p upon q. So this is a rational number. So the given question is a, or the given question is a rational number. 213 root 52 minus 4 root 117 is rational number. Okay. Next question is root 8 plus 4 root 32 minus 6 root 2. So again arranging, we can write root 8 as 2 root 2. Okay. Or we can write it as root 4 into root 2. Okay. Plus 4 and in 16 into 2 minus 6 root 2. Okay. So this will become 2 root 2. Okay. Plus 4. This is the square of 4. So 4 into 4 and this is root 2 plus 6 root 2. Okay. Now this is 2 root 2 plus 4 for the 16 root 2 minus 6 root 2. Okay. So this is equals to 2 root 2 plus taking root 2 as common, inside we will get 16 minus 6, which is equals to 2 root 2 plus root 2 in 10. Now this is equals to 10 plus 2 and this will become 12 root 2. Okay. So this is a irrational number. The product of rational number and irrational number is always irrational number. Product of rational and irrational is irrational number. Okay. So the given question is irrational number. So root 8 plus 4 root 32 minus 6 root 2 is irrational number. Okay. Now the next question is, on her birthday, Reena distributed chocolate in an orphanage. The total number of chocolates she distributed is given 5 plus root 11 and 5 minus root 11. Okay. So the question asking is, find the number of chocolate distributed by her. So solving first question, we will only simplify. So by observing this, we can see this is the form of a plus b and a minus b, which is equals to a square minus b square. This is a, this is b. So a square minus b square, okay, which is equals to 25 minus 11, which is equals to 14. Okay, hence this is the number of chocolates she distributed. Now, what is the moral value? The moral value is Rima is helpful and caring for orphanage. So the second question is, moral value is Rima is helpful and caring for orphan childrens. Okay, and you can write any moral value you have learned from these questions. Okay, so the next question is, simplify the following. Okay, now the first question is 3 root 45 minus 125 under root plus 100 200 under root and minus under root 50. So arranging again this as, we can write it as 9 into 5. Okay, and this as 25 into 5. Okay, so also this has 100 into 2. This has root 25 minus 2 into 2. Sorry. Now this is square of 3. So this will become 3 into 3 root 5 minus this is square of 5. So this will become 5 root 5. This is square of 10. This will become 10 root 2. This is square of 5. So this will become 5 root 2. Okay. Now this will become 9 root 5 minus 5 root 5. And this will become 10 root 2 minus 5 root 2. Now taking root 5 as common, we will get 9 minus 5, and root 2 as common, we will get 10 minus 5. Okay, so this will become root 5 and this will become 4. Okay, plus root 2 and this will become 5. Okay, so the answer is 4 root 5 plus 5 root 2. Now the discussion again. So again, rearrange with those numbers which are easy to cancel out each other. 6 into 5 upon root 6 minus 3 root 28 5 ja 140 on root 28 plus root 55. We can write this as 11 into 5, 99 as 11 into 9. So this is 2 root 6 in root 5 upon root 6, okay, minus 3 root 28 root 5 upon 28 with root plus root 11 into root 5 upon root 11 into root 9. Okay, so this will become cancel out, cancel out, cancel out. So this is 2 root 5 minus this will 3 root 5 and this is root 5 and this will become 3. Okay, now again we can solve this and we will get minus root 5. Why? 2 minus 3 is minus 1 plus root 5 upon 3. Taking LCM, we will get 3 and this will become 3 root 5 and plus root 5, which will become minus 2 root 5 upon 3. This is answer. Okay, now the third question is root 72. Again rearrange this as root 36 into 2 plus again rearrange this as 400 into root into 2 and again this as 9 into 2. Okay, this is square of 6, so this will become 6 root 2 plus this is square of 20 and this is root 2 minus the square of 3, this is 2. Okay, now taking root 2 as common, we will get 6 plus 20 minus 3 and solving this we will get root 2 and solving this we will get 23. Okay, so the answer is 23 root 2. This was the last question. I hope you have understand all the question. If you have any doubt, do comments. Thank you for watching this video.